Do you find it difficult to find the right moment to maintain your Kestra instance? Well, maintenance mode makes this simple. When you enter maintenance mode, the executor will stop processing new executions. Instead, these will be stored in the scheduler that will continue to run, ready for when maintenance mode turns off. Any existing executions that have been created, they will instead be gracefully completed before maintenance mode fully kicks in, to prevent any workflows having any mishaps. So any existing tasks will finish, and any later ones will be paused while maintenance mode is enabled. During maintenance mode, the platform is still ready to accept new scheduled executions. So if you have any triggers that are running, then you don't have to worry about those having any missed executions. These will all be queued up ready for when maintenance mode is turned off. To enable maintenance mode, simply go to Administration and then go to Instance. And in here, you'll be able to see an overview of the different services in your Kestra instance, as well as the button to enable maintenance mode. Now, when enabling this, any future executions that are made will be stored in the scheduler, ready for when the executor is resumed when maintenance mode is turned off. This means you can perform your updates without any workflows having incomplete states or being paused midway through. So now if I was to go to workflows and try and execute this big wait task, for example, when I press execute, we'll see that it's going to get started, but it's never going to run. It's just going to get started with the created state. But as soon as I turn off maintenance mode, as we can see here, we'll see that in fact, it's now running and it's going to complete once that wait has finished. With maintenance mode, managing your Kestra instance has been made simpler. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Let us know what you'd love to see in the future.